Oh, oh, Damballah, great serpent of the sky, I see you slither across the evening sky. I hear your call, ancient one. Please hear my prayer. Damballah, Damballah, Papa, guide my way. Damballah, Damballah, show me light today. I offer you this humble song. Protect me now from all that's wrong. Oh, Holy One, from the earth to the heavens high.